Hey guys, showing you this AYL portable fan rechargeable battery operated with a small stroller fan with lights. So this is a clip-on fan. You can just put it on any rod or any surface, and also is a handheld cooling fan for travel or any other purpose. You can also use it on a camping or anywhere you want. So it's come with the manual. Let's do the unboxing. So here is the fan, the charging cable. So this is you know on the back you can see I got micro USB-C and a USB, so you can also recharge in emergency your stuff. And also these are the legs are flexible, so you can just put it anywhere, maybe on the stroller, on the camp, or anywhere. So you can just charge in this battery with this USB. And then once it's fully charged, then you can just use it. So this need to require the battery, so let me just charge it first and then show it to you. So see, like I charge it fully completely now, and then you can see like you can just turn the fan up and down with all this swivel 360-degree. And there's the button in the back that you can see it have the light at the 3 different levels, and also have a type C charging and a built-in rechargeable battery. So here the fan is on, you can see like the speed. Again, like a different speed fan, you can have to press the button again and again, and then it will just work. So you can attach it to the stroller for the baby. You have a secure grip, as you can see on the bottom. I have just put it in a bed corner, and with the light you can also have this night lamp. Very durable and reliable, and these legs are covers like are made of flexible silica. Yeah, it's pretty nice to have a fan and a light combo, and of course you can recharge it and use anywhere you want. You can also put it on the table with all the swivel 360 vertical or horizontal. I just put it on the table now. I remove it from the corner of the bed. So yeah, it's a very versatile use. Anywhere you can use it, and it's very helpful in this summer season with all this button and the USB-C charging. So two buttons, one for the fan, one for the light, as I mentioned. Yeah. So it's really look nice and very helpful, very airy stuff. So hope you enjoy your summers.